Introducing Subway's newest sandwich. The chicken, bacon, ranch, sausage. Dang it, what other things are here? Just random ingredients at this point because we're on the rate of losing our job. And now, since a Karen raided our store and had 55 coupons for free cookies and then decided to take all of our cookies for free, we are now serving lemon drops. They're actually pretty good. Now here's some random sandwich ingredients dropping from the ceiling. Wow, so mesmerizing. Subway, we regret giving out free cookies.